So hello guys, so this is our SEO workflow. So you can purchase this from here. This is our Gumroad account. So when you get this workflow, then import it on your N8N. So you are going to import this. So workflow. So yeah, we need to just 4 keys. One, connect our Google Sheet. Then we need to connect our Google API, and then we need to connect our WordPress application password. Okay, so let's go for that. First of all, we need to connect our Google Sheet. Yeah, okay, you can connect your credential with N8N. If you are using localhost, you can connect it from using Google Search Console. Then you can get the client ID and secret, and you can paste it here. So it's connected. Now you can check this sheet, make copy this sheet, make a copy of this one. Then you can select your sheet from there, here. Okay, this is our sheet part is completed. Now we need to update our URL. So you just need to change your website URL. So this is my website URL. So you can change your website URL, whatever it is, you can paste it here like this. Okay, then we need to connect our Google API key. So for Google credential connect, just click on new and paste your API key here. So paste my key, then click on save. So yeah, my connection is successfully. Now we need to connect our Pixel API. So we need our Pixel API keys. Go on head author, then click on paste and paste here authorization. Then you need to paste your Pixel API key. Okay, so this is my Pixel API key. Click on save. So yeah, credentials successfully created. We need to open this, and this is also the Pixel one. So yeah, it's already created. Now we need to connect some other things, like we need to connect our website. So for website, just we need to connect our client application password and username and website URL. So just fill the details here. This is our username and this is our website URL. Now we are pasting our WordPress application password. Okay, then we need to click on save. So yeah, credentials successfully created. Now we need to connect yeah, our credential is connected, but we just need to do one thing: open all nodes one by one and check credential is connected or not. So yeah, you need to just open all nodes. They already get the API key from this. Now I just need to click here. Okay, and WordPress also create. Okay. We don't need to do anything now. We just need to click on this one also for image part. Okay, this is our Google Sheet node. Just change your sheet from here. Okay, so you're just not going to mismatch. Okay, then we are ready. We connect our Google API. connect our Google Sheet, and we connect our application password, WordPress website. We paste our Google Sheet, our website URL here, and also we connect our Pixel API key here. Okay, so these all four things we need to set up. Now we can save it, and now we can run this workflow and check it work or not. So it take topic from Google Sheet, how to use search engine optimization, and status is false because currently there is no blog post on this keyword. When the blog post is ready, and we can see the date, URL, and status going to true. Okay, he is writing the blog post on this. If the model fails, then this agent use another model for it. So here is no problem. So yeah, it create the image. Now he's trying to create the tag for our post. Now he is publishing the post on our website. So blog post published. Now workflow is successfully run. Now we can see the URL here. Okay, and also we can see in our sheet also. So this is our blog post. This time now status updated true. This is our blog post. You can see master search engine optimization new step by step, and date also updated 2025, and this is our keywords, linking, and all keyword SEO and FAQs. Okay, so what fully means, and also the slug. So this is our whole workflow that write the SEO blog post automatically, and now we can schedule it from here. We can select every minute or days or week. So I'll schedule it for 1 hour. Every 1 hour it run automatically. We just need to publish this workflow. Okay, got it. Set the error message if you want. So our workflow is ready. We set up all things, and blog post is live. Okay, so this is our whole workflow tutorial. If you want this workflow, you can purchase it from here. Okay, this is our Gumroad account. This one workflow, #1 on Google using N8N free automation system for free. So there is no API cost. You can run this workflow free. There is no API cost because we are using Google APIs for LLM. There is no cost, and WordPress also give us the free API key, and Pixel API is also the free. So it is zero cost automation, and it will publish all the articles on your website automatically. You don't need to do anything manually. Okay, so this is our whole workflow. Thank you guys.